Hello, my name is Jim Mullany. Today is July 8th, 2024. I hope everyone is having a nice summer. Today I'm doing a video pre-ships inspection of a fully remanufactured K&S 972 mask scrubber. This system is actually the same system as an Ultra T SWC 111. Ultra T actually OEM'd them to K&S because K&S is a dicing company, and they would just put their own label on the front and flip it over depending on what company it is. This customer is, for their privacy, we're not going to give their name out, but their PO number is 708615. This customer wants to do multiple sizes, so what we have is we have one of the Sitek step chucks. The step chucks have different legs, so you can, without changing any parts, run both a 4-inch, a 5-inch square, and a 7-inch square mask. The customer had us do some pre-testing. They sent us their mask from Europe to show that we could clean them. We did do that. They were happy with the results, and no, we just have to do a little tweaking in the fab. So today I'm just doing the quick video. I'm going to open the door. All right. So this is the 7-inch mask, a simple mask. It's as easy as loading as just putting it in like that. It's loaded. If it was a 4-inch or a 5-inch mask, it would be the same process. You just use a different step down below. I have a pretty simple process here. Let me review it. I have this system, they calls it the pre-wet, but the pre-wet really is part of the high pressure. So we've got a 15-second pre-wet. We have a 60-second high pressure clean, and this is all adjustable. We then have a 60-second N2 blow off, along with a 60-second heat lamp, and then it'll have a spin down, and then I'll be able to open the door and release it. As you saw, the door open is via the button. It's got an automatic opener, but to close it, it's a manual close. You simply close like that. When you start cycle, it's a momentary switch, but you have to hold it for about 2 seconds. If you let go too early, it won't start the process, so I'll simply start the process. Whoops. Oh, sorry, I had it in PLC access mode. I got to turn it back to program mode, meaning to run mode. Okay, program 1 is back on. It's kind of boring here because now we're spinning. The RPMs for the different steps are adjusted right here, and then you can read the approximate RPM up at the top. This does not have a vacuum chuck because it's for squares and there's no pull down needed, so there's no vacuum chuck in the system. We're now doing the 60-second high pressure DI clean. We're about 30 seconds into it. What we have is we've adjusted the stroke to go out across center line all the way to the edge of the mask and back, so you get complete coverage of the stroke. Down below, you can open the chamber and you can adjust your air pressure to adjust how much pressure you have coming from the high pressure pump. Okay, now we're doing the N2 blow off. That's going to be for 60 seconds, and then you're going to see the light turn on for the heat lamp, and that'll be for another minute. While this is processing, I'll talk about our company. We have 3 main core product lines in the sense of when you talk wet processing. We are the world leader in semi-tool remanufacturing and spare parts. We've done over 3,000 systems, and we have 100% spare parts across the board. We've re-engineered all the necessary parts that were discontinued. We also are the owner of Vertec. We bought that product line about 3 years ago. So for Vertec or semi-tool spinner and stryers, we have all the spare parts, all the controller repairs, all the servo amps, anything you need. We also do the mask and wafer scrubbers, the K&S, which is made by Ultra T, then with the Ultra T version, and the Ultra Tech. We actually have another one right there that's going to be in, I think it was video today, and we actually received an order last week for another one of these systems. So we always have 3 or 4 in inventory because we sell them on a regular basis. The heat lamp comes on now. All right, now you see the heat lamp on for 60 seconds. The other thing in wet processing is the Integris Floorwear HTC box washers. That OEM stopped supporting that tool a few years ago. We now have picked up the support, and we offer 100% spare parts. We have chucks, we have the spray arms, we have the heater assemblies, we have the HEPA filters, we have the hubs, the ball bearings, replacement controllers, etc. We also do in-field small refurbishments of the tools, and we also have customers send them to our side to do a complete refurbishment. Those 3 product lines kind of round out our wet processing, and that's probably over about 90% of our corporate business. Some of the other things we do quite often is the photoresist pumps and controllers. That'd be the Millipore, IDI, Cyborg, etc. I see on our Millipore pump bench over there we have 5 high viscosity Millipore pumps where we're building right now. And we do quite a lot with the IDI also, the controllers and the IDI 300, 400, 450, and then all of the high viscosity 600 class tools. All right, we're spinning down. Okay. Program's ended. Now we're actually, there we go, just here to click. It's now centrifugal force spinning down. It takes about another 15, 20 seconds to spin down. To kind of round out our product lines, we also do a lot of custom cassettes. We build custom cassettes for any product a customer wants. Squares, rounds, rectangles, pieces, parts, it doesn't really matter. We have an engineering department that handles all of that. And then to close out on our support is we offer a lot of metrology tools, the Rudolph and Gertner lipsometry equipment, the KLA 10-core particle counters, the 4500, 5500, the whole 6000 class, and then a lot of Prometrics and Nanometrics tools. Okay, the process stopped. I see it ended. So to open the door, hold down. There we go, automatically. And looks good. Alrighty, so that will conclude this very simple prior to shipment video source inspect. As I said before, the customer already reviewed the product being claimed, and they gave the okay to ship it. We're going to pull it out of final test today and get it crated so we can get this shipped off. Again, my name is Jim Mullany. Today is Monday, July 8th, 2024. I hope everyone has a nice summer. If you have any questions on any of our product lines, you can go to our website at sitekprocess.com. Left-hand top search box, you can put in any information like KLA or a semi-tool part or a Vertec part. It'll bring you up to that part. There's a simple contact sales button you click on. Just send us a couple pieces of information and we'll get you quotes. So I hope you have a nice summer. Thank you. Have a great day.